Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I posted a new video, but I'm gonna try and get back to filming. I wanted to take a little break from YouTube to kind of focus on my Instagram and my blog, and I completely redid my blog, put it on a new platform, got a new website, got a logo, the works. So definitely check that out. It's a lifestyle blog, so I have a little bit of everything, but it's mainly beauty, fashion, and fitness. So I will link that down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check that out. But I never realized how much I miss filming tutorials until I sit down to film. And I really have missed it so much, but I'm not gonna lie, whenever I first sat down, I was like, what do I do? But then it's just like riding a bike and it kind of just fell into place. So here we are. For my first video back, I thought that I would do my go-to summer look, which is this. Super quick and easy. It's more of a no makeup look. I wear this whenever I'm just running errands, if I don't have to work. I do teach a dance fitness class and I like to have a little something on my face so I don't scare off my class members. So this is usually what I do. I actually have class later. That's why I thought today would be the perfect day to film this. But like I said, super quick, easy, my go-to summer look. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. Hey y'all, so let's see if I remember how to edit a video. Just kidding, kind of. It has been forever, but anyways, I'm going to start off using the Tarte Amazonian Clay BB Tinted Moisturizer. This has an SPF of 20, and I love this in the summer, even though I have oily skin, because it gives you such a pretty, just natural, healthy skin glow, and then it gives you that little bit of sun protection as well, and it just evens out the skin. It doesn't give a whole lot of coverage. It just looks very natural and very beautiful. Next, I'm going to go in with Shape Tape, also by Tarte. Even though it has been a while since I posted a new video, my favorite concealer has not changed. I still use Shape Tape every single day that I wear makeup. Even as you can see on my no makeup looks, I still use it. I have terrible dark circles, so I use it to cover those up. And then I get a little bit of redness around my nose, so I'm also taking it around my nose to kind of help cover that up as well. So I also put a little bit of Shape Tape on my eyelids just to kind of even those out. And now I'm going in with a translucent setting powder just to set my concealer. And then I'm also going to use it to set the rest of my face as well. Even with a natural makeup look, y'all know I gotta put my brows on. So this is the Tarte Arch Architect Brow Pencil. If you can see it, it takes forever to focus, but it is a wedge pencil and it's a universal shade, so it goes with so many different skin tones, hair colors, and super easy to use. You can change the color just by pressing a little harder if you want it to be dark, or a light hand for a lighter shade. I can do my brows so quick with this, as you can see, super easy to use. And the best part about this is it's double-ended, so it has a clear brow gel on the other side, which I love. Now I'm going to finish off the look with the Tarte Lifted Mascara. This is a sweat-proof brown black mascara, so it is perfect for summer or for the gym since it's sweat-proof, and it is more natural looking since it is a brown black. So you can definitely end the look right there. That's why I showed you the final look. But I had a couple of other places to go today, so I wanted to just add a little bit more. So I thought that I would show y'all if you did want to add a little more. So right here I'm going in with a Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park Avenue Princess. This one is the one with a little bit of shimmer in it. I love it for summertime. And next I'm going to go in with another product by Tarte. This one is the blush in the shade Glisten. It's a really pretty kind of corally pink color with a little bit of gold shimmer. And then y'all know I gotta add my highlight, so I'm using the Champagne Pop by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. So that completes this look. I hope that y'all liked it. As you can see, super quick, super easy, and I did add a few extra steps at the end just because I had some errands to run today, so I wanted a little bit more. But normally if I just have my dance fitness class or if I'm short on time, I'll just stop at the mascara. So just customize it to whatever you're comfortable with and what you like. So I hope that y'all liked this look. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and give it a thumbs up if you are excited for me to be back here on YouTube. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.